I'll stay right here on Earth.
You know what? That's fine with me. If I ever wanted to go anywhere, I'd like to go to Mars. There's no weather on the moon. There's weather on Mars. But of course, we have some big changes in our weather coming in right this week. As a matter of fact, we had a cold front come through yesterday. It brought a little bit cooler temperatures. It's still cloudy. It's still a little bit muggy. It's not ideal as we're getting this far into December, getting this much closer to winter as well. December 21st is the first day, official day of winter. High pressure is over the region now. Granted, it's not really going to be clearing out any of that cloud cover. As a matter of fact, our winds, they were coming from the north. They're now coming from the east. That is helping to bring a little bit more Gulf moisture into the area. We're still going to see mostly cloudy skies heading into those overnight hours, but we're not expecting any kind of rain really until the middle of the day tomorrow. So for tonight, mostly cloudy, staying muggy, a little bit on the cooler end, 55 degrees. I'm certainly not going to complain about that. Northeastern winds are going to remain about 5 to 10 miles per hour. No winds are going to be howling throughout the night. Here's what I got for you over the next 48 hours. So right around your lunch hour, we start to see winds are now coming directly from the southeast. They're starting to move a little bit more showers right along the I-35 corridor. This is going to be pretty scattered throughout the day. I only have about 20% chance of coverage. But as soon as we go into those overnight hours, right around midnight to 1 a.m., you can already start to see that frontal system pushing its way into the I-35 corridor right around 8 o'clock on Tuesday morning. This does have the potential for some severe weather. Pushes into the I-45 corridor, Brazos Valley by the early parts of the afternoon, and then it's gone. We're left with a little bit of cloud cover, but that should clear out as early as our Wednesday. In terms of severe weather, I'm putting it all on the table. We have strong winds, possibility for some hail, and even some isolated tornadoes. Granted, most of that is going to stay well to the east of our region. Level 1 risk for I-35. Level 2, just as we get into Fairfield, Centerville, and Madisonville. Granted, this could change, so we'll keep you updated online and on social media as well as on the air over the next couple of days. Rainfall totals for this system, well, they're about as promising as the ones we had yesterday. It doesn't look to be a great rainmaker, which is unfortunate because our drought conditions, while improving, they could still use a little boost. Here's your 7-day planner, which is always a weekend forecast. Temperatures tomorrow, we're going to be warming up into those upper 60s, pretty much what we've been seeing over the last couple of days. Then the front comes through on Tuesday. Notice how quickly we start dropping down. 48 degrees overnight Tuesday into Wednesday, then going into those 30s. Highs dropping down into those 50s, even 40s by next weekend. Secondary front on Thursday, it's going to be a dry one, but it's going to bring us down to below average temperatures. Stay tuned. Sports is next.